When an earthquake struck in her area, there was no hesitation. The teachers rushed to their classrooms in just 6 seconds to organize the rapid evacuation of the children who were napping, but it was still not possible to get all the children out, so those who had already been safely evacuated went back to their classrooms to look for the rest of the children, picking up one with one hand and pulling the other with the other hand to make sure that no one was left behind. They interpreted responsibility and commitment with their actions, and this selfless love touched countless people.